Hi, I'm Sultan now. Today I'm here at Hebden Bridge. Let's go and take a walk. Here we are in Hebden Bridge, a waterway on Jumble Road here in Hebden Bridge, Yorkshire, West Yorkshire. And this actually empties into the Rochdale Canal here in Hebden Bridge. Quite scenic walk. And here we are, our first waterfall. Yeah, nice scenic one. Just have a look round at where it's coming from. Down the bend. Yeah, it's a good view this. It's a nice waterfall and it's coming from there. And there's actually another waterfall as we're walking up this path and take a look at the surroundings. Woodland. Bit of drizzle. So I don't know how camera's catching water on lens, I'll just clean it. I've got Jishan with me, behind me. He likes these walks here round in the country. Let's face forward now. Get close to the action. See what the water looks like at this end. There we are. The embankment on the opposite side. Quite steep. Yeah, there's a bridge at top of this, and the water that goes underneath it, it's apparently haunted. Whoop, whoop. Jishan, do ghosts scare you? You're not scared of ghosts? Alright. Jishan's not scared of ghosts. Got an old dwelling there. It's ruined. It's in ruins. Here we are. Little walk up the hill, and we've come across a bridge, and I can see another waterfall underneath it. So let's go and take a closer look. Few steps up. There we are, that's a bridge. Now one of is haunted, and I'm not sure that one or that one ahead. And this is like a horseshoe type waterfall with the shape of it. Yeah, this I'm gonna call it Hebden Beck because on the map there's no name allocated to this waterway, but it's not emptying into a river locally in the Hebden Bridge. It's emptying into the canal. There you go. That's a quite deep pool there. Pool area. Here we go. Further still. I think this one more or less looks like it could be haunted. We've got another dwelling there. Zishan, come on! Come on! Yeah, he doesn't like walking in the mud. He's scared of flies, he's scared of dogs. And you know, you shouldn't be scared to get your feet wet when you're out in the country. Here we are. Yeah, there's a tunnel just below here, and I think this one most probably be haunted. It looks the part. Here we are. We are slippy here. Well, not necessarily, but there we go. And that looks definitely haunted to me. Listen, that looks haunted, that does. Come down and you'll be right. Okay, practice is, it looks slippy, but it isn't. You'll be alright, try it. Here we are. This reminds me of a bit like the Strid in Bolton Abbey. But it's a good one, this, I like it. There's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-tier waterfall. And that fallen tree just above it. The Stopes Mill is further up. It's an old ruined mill. I'm going to visit that on another vlog. It's yeah, an old mill within a woodland further up where this water fall, where this water where it's coming from, it goes besides it. And here we are, the younger generation collecting footage for Snapchat and Instagram and what have you. I've got no time for all that. I'm just a simple YouTuber. So here we are, get Jishan in the shop. Let's see what's, oh well, it's not filming now. But yeah, Jishan, that's haunted. You want to come here at night time? Jishan refuses to come here after dark. So he's scared. He said he's not scared, but if he's refusing to come after dark, he's scared. And we'll get some practice in with the lad to walk in these places. It looks bad, and then you think to yourself you might slip, but you usually don't. Take a look at from this angle. Get the lens cleaned. Yeah, I'm sharing this location much as I can, so keep an eye on that waterfall with the camera. Down here, it's the haunted tunnel, and this is where it exits onto that horseshoe type waterfall. Here's the dwelling. That's the dwelling that Usman was saying we should inspect. Let me just go and quickly inspect it. Yeah, I mentioned Usman is my other son. We made a home movie of this location a month ago, and he says, what's this? Well, the slate, I see slates everywhere, so I see a mesh. Not sure what it is. Let's have a look. A door, probably a hut, storage hut. Yeah, storage hut, I think. Have a look. You're here now, go on.
Slippy, innit?
No, it's not slippy, it looks like that. Have a look, there's a door there. I think,
Open it.
no, I can't open it.
Not for it. Mission.
No, I'm not going to open it, but just see, is it locked or not locked?
Open it.
No, it's actually screwed in from there, look. So it's an old storage hut of some kind, and we've got asbestos roof in here, which is bad for your health. There we go, from the lad on the way down. Yeah, it makes it look more precarious than it actually is. Another view of the waterway. It doesn't have a name on the maps, so I'm just going to call it Hebden Beck. No, but no, there is a Hebden Beck, and it's called Hebden Beck, so we can't call this Hebden Beck. It just doesn't have a name. It's coming from all that woodland up there and going through this haunted tunnel beneath us towards the Rochdale Canal here in Hebden Bridge. There we go, the exit from the tunnel. And we'll film as we're going back. So one more view of the horseshoe type waterfall, and is exiting up there. I looked on the map, it's fields on the top of there, fields on a dead end and a house, probably a farmer's house. There we go. I'm gonna do me outro. The sun's in my face. It's not ideal to film when the sun's shining into the lens, but we'll see. I'll keep the sky out of it and film this path down. Yeah, this has been a short vlog here in Hebden Bridge, Yorkshire, West Yorkshire, of a waterway, unnamed waterway, unnamed waterfalls. This water's emptying into Rochdale Canal in Hebden Bridge. You've been with me, Sultan Noah. Until next time, see ya, bye.